so today's a vlog and today I'm going on holiday. I'm just in the departures now. All these sweets are just tempting me so much. So I hope you enjoy this video. So now I'm just about to go on the aeroplane and I'm really excited. Hey guys, I've just arrived. I'm really tired now, so I think I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm sorry, I forgot to vlog yesterday, but I will partially vlog throughout today. Now I'm on my way to a souvenir shop. I might get some sweets and I can already hear the crickets very loudly. I just got to the gift shop and I'm wondering what I'm going to buy. It's called Da Costa. I've just seen this in the souvenir shop and I'm not sure whether to buy it or not. There's this one as well. Please comment down below if you think I should. I'm in the shop. I'm just about to pay for these things. I've got strawberry mints here. Wonder what they taste like. I'm just near the pool now and I'm just about to do some lengths. Enjoy! Diving for the seaweeds. So I hope you enjoyed part 1 of the holiday. Please like and subscribe. I'm awesome and so are you. If you want more, give it a thumbs up and say below in the comments. There will be anywhere though. And I'll be gone for now.